So it's April 10th. I know that because it's the day after April 9th, anniversary of the Battle of Human Ridge 103 years ago. Anyhow, I'm out in the woods here. I'm going to make another video for my students, and I got all my stuff here. We're not going to have a fire today because it's very windy and it's also a little bit dry, and also there's a fire ban on, and also my oldest son is a firefighter. So we're in the same spot here, what I call the 500-acre woods, and this is what me and my grandson have built in the last week since I was down here making a video. We started off just making this one shelf, and that was just to put our packs on and other things like that and sit up above the ground. And then he said to me, why don't we put a roof on it? So we put a roof on it, and then he said, well, I like the second story better. So we're going to make a little bench to sit up there, and then the third part, that'll be the roof up there. So that's what we've been doing the last couple of days. Anyhow, I'm going to make another video for you guys. It's very windy. I don't know how the sound's going to come out, so I'm going to speak a lot louder and use subtitles maybe.